Receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 p.m. and 1 a.m. One knows the thing to exemplary
The warning alarm is transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois will be activated for watches and warnings.
This concludes the total line
We will now return to our regular program. West of today, northwest 15 to 25 knots. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Tonight. The National Weather Service is a severe thunderstorm warning for central Greene County in south central Wisconsin until noon. At 11:31 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Monroe, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Monroe, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Dayton, Browntown, Attica, and Jordan Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KZ. Southeastern Wisconsin until 4:15 p.m. At 2:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Dodge windows and vehicles, Wisconsin, and expect wind damage to roofs. 59 p.m. A severe thunderstorm is located over Windsor, Madison, Sun Prairie, Pittsburgh, Watertown, Stoughton, Fort Atkinson, Oregon, Jefferson, McFarland, Monona, Lake Mills, Marshall, Waterloo, Cottage Grove, Johnson Creek, Deerfield, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Axonia, and Rome. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. People outside can move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Jefferson, McFarland, Monona, Lake Mills, Marshall, Waterloo, Cottage Grove, Johnson. This is the NOAA Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Axonia, and Rome. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. At 2:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Windsor, moving east at 40 miles an hour. 5 nautical miles offshore from mid-lake.
Lake Michigan from Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and Lake Michigan
We have lightweight winds heading close to
Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and the following counties in
near-shore waters around Sheboygan and Port Washington. Near-shore waters
severe thunderstorm
up to wind point. Near-shore waters from Western Harbor, Illinois. Lake Michigan from Sheboygan to Port Washington, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from Port Washington. Possible warnings. Weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets. Or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for a portion of
northern King County, Illinois, as well as miles on course will be quickly overburdened severe weather information.
p.m. At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Johnson Creek or near Jefferson. Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 4:45 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Johnson Creek. Waukesha, New Berlin, Brookfield, Menominee Falls, Muskego, Pewaukee, Sussex, Heartland, Mukwonago, Delafield, Elm Grove, Wales, Wicossee Lake, O'Connell, Lisbon, Vernon, Ottawa, Merton, Townsend, and North Prairie. This includes the following locations: Pewaukee Lake, Ottawa Lake Recreation Area, and Plainwoods Campground. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. Stay away from the windows. This is the National Weather. The following locations: Pewaukee Lake, Ottawa Lake Recreation Area, and Pinewoods Campground. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Washington and Waukesha, and the following. The special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Port Washington, Wisconsin to Wisconsin until 5:30 p.m. 3:54 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 20 Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Port Washington, Wisconsin to Windpoint, Wisconsin until 5:30 p.m. At 3:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 23 nautical miles west of Milwaukee to 27 nautical miles west of Oak Creek, moving east of 40 knots. Wind gusts 34 knots for greater and large hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and higher winds and southerly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
The thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. for eastern Jefferson County. At 3:55.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Milwaukee County and southeastern Wisconsin, northern Williams County and southeastern Wisconsin until 4:45 p.m. At 4:40 p.m. a severe thunderstorm was located over Waukesha. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin. Francis, Hales Corners, Fox Point, Bayside, West Milwaukee, Franklin, Glendale, Wind Lake, Raymond, and Wind Point. This includes the following locations: Warner Botanical Gardens, General Mitchell International Airport, Timberland Airport, Schroeder Camden Medical College, and Visser Forum. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 355.
Commercial radio and telephone alert for internet source weather latest severe weather information, statements, and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Southern has issued a special marine warning for Michigan nearshore and open waters The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Southern has issued a special marine warning for thunderstorms nearshore and open waters extending from 16 nautical miles west of southern Milwaukee to near wind 5:45 p.m. moving east at 45 to 49 p.m. Severe thunderstorms to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Service in Milwaukee Southern has issued a special marine warning for Michigan nearshore and open waters until 5:45 p.m. Large hail could result in structural damage. Severe thunderstorms will move across the nearshore and open waters of the Indian for the following areas. Until 5. Severe. Intact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Severe thunderstorms will move across the near shore and open waters of Lake Michigan. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Lake County. Severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois. At 5:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 10 tons all sides, hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of hazards include Chicago, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, Bartlett, Crystal Lake, Greenwood, Hanover Park.
Bakersville, Wheeling, Crystal Lake, Greenwood, Hanover Park. Northwestern University, and Ravinia Music Festival. For your protection, This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KXI 41 Crystal Lake. Effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following. And the following counties border Indiana following. Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Little Lake Harbor. Little Lake Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. And Lake Michigan from Little Lake Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons will rapidly change in weather conditions and listen for latest statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lake, southeastern northeastern Illinois, northeastern counties, and northeastern Illinois, southeastern Illinois, southeastern northeastern Illinois, northeastern Illinois, until 7 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors. Locations of Chicago include Chicago, Elgin, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates. Issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 8:45 p.m. At 5:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located near Elgin, or 25 nautical miles southwest of Waukegan Harbor, moving at 25 knots. Large hail. Hazard. While can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous waves. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
Impacted include
Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and DeKalb Harbor. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts.
Seek safe harbor immediately.
Overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
The night.
County in northeastern Illinois, Northern King County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 7 p.m. At 9:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located.
Northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over west of over Carpentersville, moving east at 15 miles per hour.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar
indicated rotation.
Impact, flying debris will be dangerous
to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near. Barrington Hills and East will be around 6 p.m. Hoffman Estates around 6:05 p.m. Market around 6:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Barrington, Streamwood, Inverness, Hanover Park, Shelburne, and Palatine. This includes Shelburne Boomers baseball, including the following interstate 90 between mile markers 52 and 65. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northeastern King County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over west of E, or over Carpentersville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Barrington Hills and East Dundee around 6 p.m. Hoffman Estates around 6:05 p.m. Bartlett around 6:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Barrington, Streamwood, Inverness, Hanover Park, Schaumburg, and Palatine. This includes Schaumburg Boomers baseball, including the following interstate 90 between mile markers 52 and 65. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
At 5:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm
northeastern Illinois until 7:15 p.m. Tornado was located at 13 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of tornado was located over Greenwood, moving at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and hail up to 2 inches.
In northern Cook County, this is until 7:15
Mobile homes will be flooded or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Tree damage is near. Storm will be near. Storm will be near. Around 6:20 p.m. Tornado Heights, Sarasota Road, 6:25 p.m. Arlington Heights, Addison, Elk Grove Village, with ample County around 6:30 p.m. Tornado thunderstorm include this, please. Lombard, Villa Park, Elmhurst, Bossier Airport, Bark Ridge, Niles, Franklin Park, Bensonville, Northlake, Rosemont, Westchester, Norwich, Bellwood, Schiller Park, Hillside, Bussing, Melrose Park, Maywood, Brookfield, Elmwood Park, LaGrange Park, River Forest, River Grove, Harwood Heights, Broadview, Berwyn, Oak Park, Belmont Cragen, Dunning, Portage Park, Albany Park, Forest Park, Lincolnwood, Lyons, and Riverside. Chicago, including the falls of interstates and Kansas. Interstate 45 to 8 mile marks, 3 at 224.
Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. for southern lakes. Northern Virginia, severe thunderstorm warning and northern until 3 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Inverness for until 3 p.m. A severe thunderstorm hazard to inhale in 60 miles. Source.
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing water spouts was located near Elgin, or 25 nautical miles southwest. Issued a special marine warning for Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 8:45 p.m. At 6:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing water spouts was located over Bossier Airport, or 11 nautical miles west of Montrose Harbor, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard: water spouts, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, and large hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly high waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Michigan City, Indiana Harbors, 31st Street Harbor, Burns Harbor, Marina Shores Benton Harbor, Burnham Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Hamlet Marina, and Jackson Park Harbor. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northeastern Illinois, 11 p.m. for northeastern Illinois, northwestern Indiana, and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. Harbor until hazardous weather. Storms can produce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for northwestern UP and central Michigan. Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over North Riverside or Overlay Road, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado, hail up to 2 inches in diameter and 80 miles per hour winds. Source: hazard: tornado, hail up to 2 inches. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near, winds around 7 p.m. Justice, Summit, Bridgeview, Hickory Hills, and Hoskins around 7:05 p.m. Burbank, Palos Hills, Northerly Island, Brighton Park, Chicago Ridge, and Worth around 7:10 p.m. Oak Lawn, Chicagoland, Bridgeport, Ashburn, and New City around 7:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Englewood, Auburn Gresham, Hyde Park, Evergreen Park, Crestwood, Marionette Park, Rosewood, South Shore, Blue Island, Chatham, Evergreen Park, Crestwood, Marionette Park, South Deering, Riverdale, Phoenix, Hammond, Calumet City, Dalton, and Thornton. South Holland, this includes State Stadium, University of Chicago, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Soldier Field, South Suburban College, University of Chicago, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Soldier Field, South Suburban College, Guaranteed Rate Field, Illinois, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 280 and 283, and between mile markers 293 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 293 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 3. The tornado warning for northeastern DeKalb County is canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the tornado warning for northeastern DuPage County is canceled. The warning has been canceled. For southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over North Riverside or over Maywood, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado, hail up to 2 inches in diameter and 80 miles per hour winds. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near, winds around 7 p.m. Justice, Summit, Bridgeview, Hickory Hills, and Hoskins around 7:05 p.m. Burbank, Palos Hills, Northerly Island, Brighton Park, Chicago Ridge, and Worth around 7:10 p.m. Oak Lawn, Chicagoland, Bridgeport, Ashburn, and New City around 7:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Englewood, Auburn Gresham, Hyde Park, Evergreen Park, Crestwood, Marionette Park, Roseland, South Shore, Blue Island, Chatham, Posen, Dixmoor, Harvey, South Holland, South Deering, Riverdale, Phoenix, Hammond, Calumet City, Dalton, and Thornton. This includes State Stadium, University of Chicago, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Soldier Field, South Suburban College, Guaranteed Rate Field, Illinois Institute of Technology, Museum of Science and Industry, Museum Campus, and Northerly Island. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 280 and 283, and between mile markers 293 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 3.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KXI 41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather.
What the f***, Chicago?
Listening area. This station will broadcast.
What the f*** was that?
McHenry, Lake, Cook, and northern
Shut up.
counties in Illinois.
The National Weather Service
Indiana, northern Lake County and northwestern Indiana until 8:15 p.m. With 7:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Whiting or near East Chicago, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado, quarter-size hail and 80 miles per hour winds. Source, radar indicated location, quarter-size impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Munster around 7:35 p.m. Shoreville, Highland, and Griffith around 7:40 p.m. Gary and Merrillville around 7:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Hobart, Crown Point, Lake Station, New Chicago, South Haven, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Winfield, Valparaiso, and Hebron. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Northwest Hammond, Valparaiso University, Indiana Motor Speedway, and South Shore Railcat Baseball. Including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 1 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 2 and 29. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 16 and 21. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 248 and 261. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under height. A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. for East Central Cook County.
A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. for East Central Cook County.
Over South Burin or near Lakewood.
Porter County in northwestern Indiana until 8:30 p.m. At 8:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Valparaiso, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Valparaiso, Camps, Malden, Dunsbridge, and Boone Grove. This includes Porter County Fairgrounds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northwestern Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northwestern Indiana. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. A special marine warning. Large hail breathing forecast of severe television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.